15 मार्च 1959 मुंबई का एक छोटा सा इलाका। हमारी कहानी वहाँ से शुरू होती है। 7 गुजराती महिलाएं जिनके पास ना तो कुछ ज्यादा रिसोर्सेस थे ना ही बिजनेस डिग्रियां, पर उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि वो अपना कुछ करना चाहती हैं, अपना व्यापार शुरू करना चाहती हैं। शुरू से ही उन्होंने एक बात डिसाइड की कि हम किसी पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं रहेंगे, तो उन्होंने एक 80 रुपए का लोन लिया एंड उस इन्वेस्टमेंट से अपना पापड़ का बिजनेस शुरू किया, जिसका नाम था श्री महिला गृह उद्योग लिज्जत पापड़। नाम तो आपने सुना होगा, बट तब उन्हें ये नहीं पता था कि आज 2024 में लिज्जत पापड़ would be an international brand with a turnover of over 1600 crore and employing over 45,000 women. लिज्जत पापड़ जो एक हाउसहोल्ड ब्रांड बन चुका है, had very humble beginnings. The 7 women came together on their house terrace and the first batch had only 4 packets of papad. 1959 में it wasn't easy for 7 women to start their own business in a male-dominated industry. मार्केट में बहुत बड़े प्लेयर्स थे with very heavy pockets and large resources. किसी ने नहीं सोचा था कि ये 7 औरतें इतनी सक्सेसफुल बन जाएंगी, but they proved them all wrong. उन 7 के पास कोई फैंसी डिग्रीज नहीं थी, but over time these women controlled all aspects of their business, from finance to production to marketing to strategy, everything. शुरुआत से उन्होंने एक चीज पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं किया, and that was the quality of the papad. That's the reason why even after 65 years, Lijjat Papad is a household brand loved and trusted by millions. But Lijjat Papad ki success story did not stop at India. Today, it is an international brand which is a great example of successful Indian entrepreneurship. Did you know Lijjat Papad's OG game-changing cooperative model has inspired many other Indian women-led businesses? To name a few, much loved Amul and also Seva. What is super cool is that all women are co-owners, have equal profit sharing and have a decision making at Lijjat Papad. Business तो बहुत लोग शुरू करते हैं, but कितने लोग successful हो पाते हैं? What were the secret ingredients that made Lijjat Papad so successful? First, Lijjat Papad focused on community building. As women, we are made to compete against each other. We're told that the spots on the top are very limited and we all need to fight to reach there. But the 7 legendary women who started Lijjat had a very progressive thinking. They knew to go fast, you go alone, but to go far, you go together. For them, Lijjat Papad was way beyond a business. It was a community where they wanted to bring other women together to empower them and to make them more independent. For thousands of women who came to join Lijjat Papad over the years, it wasn't just about the money. It was about finding a voice of their own, of being independent, of being self-reliant. Lijjat Papad ने उन्हें खुद की पहचान दी। अक्सर हम डेली लाइफ में होम मेकर्स की कंट्रीब्यूशन को हम नजरअंदाज कर देते हैं, but it takes a lot of effort to run a household. From rationing to budgeting to deciding बच्चों के लिए क्या खाना बनाना चाहिए takes a lot of effort every single day. A homemaker has to manage all her limited resources very efficiently. This resourcefulness is what helped the 7 housewives to create Lijjat Papad. From what ingredients to use, how to package it, how to manage in a very small amount of investment. They used whatever they had learned in the homes of their kitchens to now producing for the nation. In today's startup ecosystem, lot of people think शुरुआत से ही हमारे पास बहुत फंडिंग होनी चाहिए, सारे रिसोर्सेज होने चाहिए and बहुत ही लार्ज स्केल पे बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहिए. But the reality is, कितने लोग ऐसा कर सकते हैं? Funding has become a buzzword today. And what we learned from Lijjat Papad is start humble. शुरुआत कितनी ही छोटी होए, but if you stay consistent and focused, success is yours. So next time you enjoy a papad, remember it's more than just a snack.